The Anunnaki myth. Ancient aliens or ancient nonsense? Let's talk about the Anunnaki. Ah yes, the ancient alien VIPs of conspiracy theory culture. The celestial CEOs who allegedly came to Earth to mine gold, create humans as slaves, and then just disappeared. Totally checks out, right? Well, before we dive headfirst into this cosmic rabbit hole, let's do something radical. Let's look at some facts. I know, boring, but bear with me. First off, who were the Anunnaki, really? The word Anunnaki comes from the ancient Sumerians. You know, the folks from Mesopotamia who gave us writing, the wheel, and taxes. The Anunnaki were not aliens in flying saucers. They were a group of deities, gods, divine beings in their mythology. Not astronauts, not reptilian overlords, just gods. The Sumerians imagined the Anunnaki as part of a complex spiritual hierarchy. They weren't exactly into probing cows or building pyramids on Mars. They were more about rivers, crops, storms. The usual god stuff. So where did the whole alien theory come from? 2 words, Zecharia Sitchin. In the 1970s, Sitchin wrote a series of books claiming the Anunnaki were astronauts from a hidden planet called Nibiru. He said they genetically engineered humans to dig for gold. And somehow that idea exploded on late-night radio, weird documentaries, and YouTube rabbit holes. Now here's the fun part. Sitchin didn't know how to read Sumerian. Not even a little. Scholars who do know the language say his translations are, well, creative. Like Dr. Seuss tries Sumerian levels of creative. But hey, why let actual scholarship get in the way of a good alien story, right? And that planet he talks about, Nibiru, there is no scientific evidence that Nibiru exists. Astronomers have looked. If there were a rogue planet swinging through our solar system every few thousand years, it would have shown up in more than just conspiracy forums. Now let's talk about the gold mining thing. This is my favorite part. The idea that a hyper-advanced alien race traveled across the galaxy for gold. Gold! You know, the same shiny stuff we wear on our fingers and grill into our teeth. If aliens need gold so badly, shouldn't they have interstellar mining lasers or something? And let's think about the efficiency of this plan. Let's create a brand new species, humans, so they can use stone tools to dig up gold for us, slowly, with a lot of whining and back pain. Really? Not only is that hilariously inefficient, but modern anthropology has zero evidence for this sudden human upgrade from alien intervention. Instead, we have a steady fossil record of human evolution. 1 million tiny steps, no sudden alien download of skills. And that's not all. If the Anunnaki really were here, genetically modifying humans, building megacities, dropping advanced tech, where is the tech now? No spacecraft, no alien tools, not even a selfie on a clay tablet. We've got plenty of old stuff from Sumer. Temples, tablets, receipts for sheep. But no ray guns, no DNA labs, no property of Nibiru logos. Not one. Now look, I get it. Ancient mythology is fascinating. The idea that our ancestors saw lights in the sky and imagined gods, totally understandable. But turning every old story into a sci-fi script isn't just lazy, it also kind of disrespects how smart ancient people actually were. The Sumerians were astronomers, architects, poets. They didn't need aliens to explain their achievements. And honestly, neither do we. Because here's the truth. The universe is amazing without aliens making pyramids or mining gold. There are 2 trillion galaxies out there, each with hundreds of billions of stars. That's awe-inspiring enough without rewriting history to fit modern sci-fi fantasies. So the next time someone tells you humans were built by interstellar slave masters from a mystery planet, maybe just smile and ask, "Cool story, bro. But where's the evidence?" The Anunnaki were a reflection of ancient belief, not a galactic gold rush. So let's give credit where it's due. To the humans who built civilization, one mud brick at a time.